boasting, talking too much about oneself. Boasting annoys people. He keeps boasting about money. Littering, throwing garbage in public places. Littering makes places dirty. Don't litter on the road. Gossip, to talk about other people behind their back. Don't gossip about your friends. People often gossip at work. Addiction, it means being unable to stop something. Mobile addiction is common now. Addiction ruins daily life. Hoard, to collect and keep too many things. Don't hoard useless items. He hoard old newspapers. Snooze, to delay getting up after alarm. Don't snooze the alarm. Snoozing makes you late. Linger, to stay longer than needed. Don't linger on social media. He lingers after work. Splurge, to spend too much money. Don't splurge on shopping. She splurged her salary. Gloat, to feel proud of others' failure. Don't gloat over others' mistakes. Gloating looks bad. Mumble, it means to speak unclearly. Don't mumble while speaking. Dawdle, to waste time doing nothing. Don't dawdle in the morning. Dawdling makes you late. Multitasking badly, doing many things without focus. Bad multitasking lowers quality. Focus on one task at a time. Eating junk food daily, it means eating unhealthy food regularly. Eating junk food daily harms health. Choose healthy food. Staying up late, it means not sleeping on time. Staying up late is unhealthy. He stays up late every night. Skimp, to spend too little on important things. Don't skimp on health. He skims on food. Meddle, to interfere in others' matters. Don't meddle. He meddles often. Oversharing, sharing too much personal information. Oversharing online is risky. Don't overshare your life. Fiddle, to play with things without purpose. Stop fiddling in class. He fiddles with his pen. Complain. To express unhappiness often. Don't complain all the time. Complaining creates negativity. Interrupt. To stop someone while speaking. Don't interrupt others. Interrupting is rude. Loaf. To avoid work and relax. Don't loaf around. He loafs all day. Mock. It means to make fun of someone. Don't mock others. Mocking hurts feelings. Skip. It means to miss something. Don't skip meals. He skips exercise. Brood. It means to think sadly for a long time. Don't brood over past mistakes. Ruminate. It means to think again and again. Don't ruminate too much. Ruminating causes stress. Messy. It means not keeping things clean. Keep your room clean. Her room is messy. Overspending. It means spending too much money. Stop overspending on shopping. Nagging. It means complaining again and again. Nagging irritates people. Don't nag unnecessarily. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you for watching.